Omuthenya na ikerekania gukihuba thutha wa kingi gia cukari utakinyaniirie ikiro igithie nambere kuhithukio icigo-ini itiganite guku bururi-ini. Umuthi uhithukio yohanekire kaunti-ini cia Bomet na Migori guku makiria magunia 500 cia cukari ukihithukio kaunti-ini ya Bomet. Riri nakuo kaunti-ini ya Migori makiria magunia 4,000 ihithukirio ikuitwo ni rori cia kambuni ya Menegai.
We are only growing the farmers in those foreign countries, but we are killing our own. Why don't we just make ours good enough so that if it is the cost of production that is making our market to be more attractive, we do something on that cost of production.
Uhithukio uyu woereire birigicani iria ikoretwo igithie nambere kwa ihinda kuria makiri magunia cia cukari utakinyaniirie ikiro ihithukitio icigo-ini itiganite cia bururi. Wakuhahura riboti ete cukari uyu uri na indo ugwati ta Mercury na copper, undu uria riu uthundurite ndugamano gatagati ka honge iria ikuruhanitio thirikari-ini. Minister wa iganda na wonjoria Aden Mohammed akioya murugamo ngurani na murunawe wa ugitiri wa thiini Fred Matiang'i ugite uthuthuria uria matabanetie wonanitie cukari uyu nduri na Mercury kana copper, undu uria munene wa borithi ya uthuthuria George Kinoti acoketie kirugama na murugamo wa Matiang'i.
They are killing us because they are selling poison to all of us and none of us is safe.
I want to assure Kenyans that the fight on illegal, illicit trade is a priority for this government, and we must fight it collectively by providing all the necessary information and intelligence to the relevant government bodies.
Ere nemwe are mathitwo gugekinya mbere ya kamiti ya bunge igi urimi niguo gutheria makiria ciigie cukari ucio na uria waingirire guku bururi-ini. Agimerigiriirwo mbere ya kamiti ino ni ministers a urimi na kigina, kamiti ya EACC, gikundi gia KEBS na ruhonge rwa kungania magoti KRA hamwe na angi.
Also be inviting any other person who might assist the committee in getting to the bottom of this matter, because we feel this matter is of great national importance and it must be handled, and we must interrogate all these agencies within the shortest time possible.
Kamiti ino ningi ni uritie kuongererwo kugitiri kuria cukari uyu uthiite na mbere gukorwo wigitwo makiria niguo gutigirira ndukwenderio Akenya matari na umenyo.
This importation of toxic sugar in the country is marks of a well-orchestrated move by this one person to kill the genuine sugar milling companies in the country, such as Mumias, Nzoia and Muhoroni sugar companies, where our local farmers depend for their livelihoods.
Naguo mwena wa thirikari uthiite na mbere kwiru makeni, moria wayo Eric Raithe akiuga gutire mundu wikuruhanitie na biashara ino kwirica guoko kwa watho.
The war on smuggling of sugar whose quality has not been certified for use in this country, of corruption, that is just a beginning.
Girifotera Kameme TV, Jitagwo Mwaura, Wagunyam.